How to share notes to Instagram Reels or post. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to share notes to Instagram Reels or post. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Ensure to log in and sign in to the particular account. Now, you can easily select the particular reel or post where you want to share the notes. For me, this is a particular post that I want to share the notes on. Tap on the airplane-like icon at bottom of this post. And here at the bottom left corner, you will get Add Note option. Tap on it. Now, Add Note boxes appear on the screen. Simply type in any message that you wish to share notes to. Now, the notes features also provides you the option to share with the followers you follow back or only to close friends. After you have chosen that, you can tap the share button and your notes will be shared on any Instagram reel or post. In case if you change the mind and want to delete, you can simply tap on the note and then a pop-up menu box appears where you can see delete note button. Tap on it and your note will be successfully deleted. So that is how we share notes to Instagram Reels or post. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.